Good morning, students. How are you? I hope that all are well and living safe life at your home. As you know, my previous class was depend on word problems. Now today let us we discuss about what is the average. An average is a single value that represents a group of values. An average is a single value that represents a group of values. For finding average, we apply the given formula. Average equal to total number or amount upon number of data. Average equal to total number or amount upon number of data. What is the meaning of data? Data means numerical information of any field is called the data. So my dear student, now let us we discuss about some question. All these questions depend on your book from page number 33. The question is, find the average of each set of data. Suppose you have four numbers 12, 18, 25, 45. How will you find out the average of all these four numbers? First we apply the formula. Average is equal to total number upon number of data. Data means numerical information of any field is called the data. So total number means the sum of all these four numbers. The sum of all these four numbers. Look here. 12 plus 18 plus 25 plus 45 upon how many numbers are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. So divided by 4. Now let us we discuss about what is the sum of all these four numbers. I think all of you know about the addition. Now let us we see. 2 plus 8 10 plus 5 15 plus 5 20. 0 carry over is 2. 2 plus 1 3, 3 plus 1 4, 4 plus 2 6, 6 plus 4 10. The meaning is the sum of all these four number is 100. Now how many numbers are there? There are four numbers. So 100 upon 4. Now let us we discuss about what is the quotient when 100 divided by 4. Look here. 4 2 is 8, 10 minus 8 2. We will note down next number. So 20 means 20, 4 5 is 20. After subtraction you will get the remainder is 0. So meaning is quotient is 25. The meaning is average of all these four number. Average of all these four numbers are 25. Okay. I have one more question. Suppose 100, 86, 90 and 112. You will find out the average of all these four numbers. So what we will do? We apply the formula. Average equal to total number upon number of data. So first we will the sum of all these four numbers. Look here. 100 plus 86 plus 90 plus 112. How many numbers are there? There are four numbers. So divided by 4. Okay. After addition, what you will get? The sum of all these four number will be 388 and divided by 4. Look here, 388 divided by 4. 4 9 ja 36, 8 minus 6 2. We will note down next number is 8. 4 7 ja 28. Remainder is 0. So answer is 97. The meaning is 97 is the average of all these four numbers. Okay, my dear students, just I want to give one more example to you for better explanation to you. Question number 2. What is the average of each set of data? Question is 132 kg, 72 kg, 436 kg and 1012 kg. How will you find out the average of these four numbers? First we apply the formula. Average equal to total number upon number of data. Okay, so total number means the sum of all these four number, the sum of all these four numbers. Look here, 132 plus 72 plus 436 plus 1012. How many numbers are there? There are four numbers. So now let us we discuss about what is the sum of all these four numbers. Look here, 2 plus 2 4, 4 plus 6 10, 10 plus 2 12, 2 carry over is 1, 1 plus 3 4, 4 plus 7 11, 11 plus 3 14, 14 plus 1 15, 5 carry over is 1, 1 plus 1 2, 2 plus 4 6 and 1. So the sum of all these four numbers are 1652 divided by 4. Look here, 4 4 ja 16. We will note down next number. Next number is 5. 4 1 ja 4. 5 minus 4 1. Next number is 2. So 4 3 ja 12. Answer is 413. 413 is the average of all these four number. So average of all these four numbers are 413 kg. Okay, I have one more question. How will you find out the average? 1000 meter, 580 meter, 600 meter, 350 meter and 815 meter. How will you find out average? Average equal to total number upon number of data. Total number upon number of data. So first we add all these five numbers. First we add all these five numbers. Now let us we see what is the sum of all these five numbers. 0 plus 5 5, 8 plus 5 13, 13 plus 1 14, 4 carry over is 1, 1 plus 5 6, 6 plus 6 12, 12 plus 3 15, 15 plus 8 23, carry over is 2, 2 plus 1 3. So the sum of all these five numbers are 3345 divided by 5. Okay, look here. 5 6 30, 3 minus 0 3, 3 minus 3 0. We will note down next number is 4. 5 6 30, 4 minus 0 4. Again we will note down next number is 5. 5 9 45. After subtraction you will get remainder is 0. So quotient is 669. Quotient is 669. So 669 meter. M stand for meter. 669 meter is the average of all these 5 numbers. Okay. So my dear students, all these questions depend on the average. I think it will be very easy to you and useful to you, and God bless you.